Yes, we can hear you.
Well, we can hear you, sir. We can hear you, sir.
Let's get started. Okay, so good afternoon, everybody. Um, so you're welcome to today's pre-New York session analysis. That means this analysis comes up before New York session. The analysis comes up, and we from the stable of PO Prime Trading Academy, we give people insight. Usually give people insight, right, on what to expect during the New York session. Okay, we give people insight on what to expect during the New York session. Okay, so let's get started. This is the economic calendar for this afternoon. For today, we have some pairs, some currency pairs like JPY, like EUR, like BP, like USD. So these pairs are pairs that the pairs that we had the economic impact and also our impact news this afternoon on. And today we looked at the high impact news on Euro, which is our French flash PMI to 930.
We can't hear you very well.
Can you hear me now?
Hello.
Hello,
Hello.
hello. Yeah, we can hear you now.
Okay, so what I'm saying in essence is that we literally have a high impact news on pounds, on euro, on dollars. Now we are expecting another high impact news on US dollar by 3:45 p.m., which is also flash manufacturing PMI. So this also, like usual, if it comes out positive, you're going to buy dollar, and if it comes out negative, you're going to sell dollar or any instrument that has dollar in it. Okay, so that is what we are looking at. But before the news comes out, we would love to see what is happening on the chart, what we expect from the chart, whether to buy or what to sell from the chart. Can you all see my chart, please?
Yes, we are seeing.
Okay, that's great. So I'm going to start with daily time frame. So I'm going to start with daily time frame, and with daily time frame, we have the dollar, right? I'm going to start with the highs and the lows. So this is the highs, right? And we have this as the low. So we have this as the low. Then we have a retracement going on between the low, which is around this high. So this is the new high, right? And we have this as a new low. So what are we expecting? My area of concentration will be here, right? Will be here on 4 hours time frame. And when I change to 1 hour, I would love to say we have a high here. So market take out this high, and we have a break here. So my area of concentration, we are currently on a retracement phase for USDX. So this up movement is not literally a strong movement, it's just a retracement. So we can retrace, USDX can move up to 107.669 before going down. Okay, it can move up to 107.669 before moving to the downside. So we are having a buy to sell scenario on USDX, so which is on US dollar. So we are also going to look at it and wait for price to get to this level before we sell. And if we look at it on 15 minutes time frame as well, we would see that there is no presence of buyers in this market, right? There's no presence of buyers in this market. Okay, Mr. Wisdom, there's no presence of buyers in this market. What we are just looking towards is where to retrace and start selling. Okay, so that's that on USDX. So I'm going to look forward to sell dollar during the New York session. So let's look at daily time frame. For dollar indices on daily time frame, the first thing I do, I change the line chart to see very, very clearly what the market is doing. So line chart, we have the high. We have the low, right? Then 4 hours time frame, we have this as a resistance. We have this as a resistance, right? And we have a breakout structure here. So this low has been broken. What we are expecting now is a retracement before we have buyers coming in on board. And this low here we have an equal low here. So, well, this might literally push the market up to the upside, down to this level. So probably we could take a buy stop or a buy for USD CHF. Okay, we can use a buy stop because this is the ideal area for a proper sell, right? So probably a short buy before we sell, or we wait for price to get to this level before selling. So those are the two things I'm looking at for USD CHF. Okay, these are the two things I'm looking at for USD CHF. Probably a buy to sell scenario on USD CHF. A buy to sell scenario on USD CHF. Okay, a buy to sell scenario on USD CHF. This is also cool. Okay, okay. Okay, so we could take a sell stop here. I'll take a sell stop, USD CHF, stop loss here. Then hopefully we target this zone as TP1. And TP2. Okay, so this TP1, TP2 on US dollar, Switzerland franc. Okay, so I'm going to write it here, right? I'm going to write it now. Sell USD CHF. Sell USD. Okay, sell stop. Sell stop USD CHF at 0.90501. SL 0.90582. TP1 0.90399. TP2 0.90301. Okay, so I'm putting it here. Okay, so USDCHF sell stop. USDCHF at 0.90501. SL 0.90582. Right, TP1 0.90399. TP2 0.90301. Okay, so that is that for USD CHF. Okay, that is that for USD CHF. Okay, so let's look at some other pairs. Let's look at GU. I'm currently looking towards a short sell on GU. Probably I will retract my step after this analysis. I entered a sell, but I want to see what might literally happen. Okay, so GBP USD. So GBP USD currently, So GBP USD, right? We have this as my high, right? This as my major high. Then I'm going to take this as well as my low. Also, I'm going to mark out this low as well. Then I go to 4 hours time frame. Now, for 4 hours time frame, I'm looking for the retracement. Market has to pull down a little bit before buying. That was the reason why I literally sold the GBP USD. That was the reason why I sold GBP USD. I'm selling GBP USD rather, because I'm expecting price to pull back to either this retracement before moving to the upside. So this is my ideal point for a buy for GBP USD. So everything is correlating, right? We have a buy to sell scenario, right? So this is a sell. Market has to sell before we have buyers coming into the market. So I'm changing it to line chart. So you can see I'm holding the sell down to this level before I enter a buy. So probably we could use a buy stop order. Yes, market still needs to get to this high, right? This high before we have much more tangible movement in the market. So I'm looking towards it and I'm monitoring the market. We already had this level. You could see probably buyers coming in on board or something. The market can, the only thing that will make me change is if market rejects this supply and start moving to the downside. I mean, it's a fair game. Okay, so we still need to wait, right? We still need to wait and watch what will happen in the market. Okay, so as what is saying is not audible. Okay, says better now. So two things I'm expecting market to get to this high, then start falling. Okay, get to that high and start falling. So that is what I'm expecting. Or market breaks this high, then start moving to the upside. But I'm currently on the sell and I didn't drop it on the signal group. So let's look at Euro USD currently. Okay, Euro USD, we have here also the high. Okay, so also this is the low, right? And we go to 4 hours time frame. Now, this zone is a very, very strong zone area, and I'm expecting a pullback, right? Because this is a supply zone on 4 hours time frame. I mean, this is a strong resistance area. So if you don't know the meaning of resistance, you can check our YouTube videos online. You'll see a whole lot. So this area is a resistance area, and I think this is giving me more confirmation to sell more on um, Euro USD, except if the news comes out and take it higher, right? It's only the news that's coming by 345 that can break it. But if the news comes out and the data is still negative, then we have more push to the downside to this zone, right? To this level, because this level is also a very strong zone. And we have buyers coming in into this market as well. So here, my high is currently on Euro USD as well. My eye is currently on Euro USD here. So we hope to see more sellers come into this market. Hopefully we can sell down to this zone. We can sell down to this zone 1.04535. We can sell down to that level 1.04535. So we still need to wait to see what will happen. Everything I'm seeing here, it's just much more patience, right? Everything I'm seeing here is just we need patience to see what will literally happen in the market. I would have said, let's take a sell stop order here, but we already have a sell stop on USDCHF. And let me see if the market is taking. Okay, so you can hardly see the rejection happening here after hitting our entry point. But let's see, let's still watch what will literally happen. And I will give another reversal signal. Okay, so let's keep watching. USDJPY, well, USDJPY also on daily time frame. So USDJPY on daily time frame, looking towards this daily, right? And so I'm taking line chart, right? Right, and we look at this level. Right? So this is a retracement to this move on daily time frame. So we are in a retracement phase. Thank God we have a break of structure in that level. So I'm looking towards selling USDJPY. I'm looking towards selling USDJPY at this zone, right? So I'm looking forward to selling USDJPY at 156.390 region. Okay, so I'm looking forward to a proper sell at 156.390 region. Okay, at 156.390 region. That is where I'm looking out for a proper sell. Okay, so that is that, and we have a high here. Market take up this low. So I'll be looking forward to that level, 156.260 region is where I'm looking forward for a proper sell. But I'm not seeing presence of buyers anymore in this market, but let's hope to see. Okay, this is an engulfing candle, so you can push up to this level. So USDJPY, we push up. We see having presence of buyers, hopefully at this level. If this level will stand, and before the news, if the news comes out, we are going to also look towards what will happen. For USJPY, I think we are literally looking towards pushing a little bit up before we still see sellers coming into the market. Okay, so let's look at special requests. Let's look at gold. And someone said Euro card, right? And Bitcoin before I round it up. Gold is on a bullish spree, and I think what happened in 2017 might literally happen. So gold is always bullish at the moment. We look towards buying more of gold. Look towards buying more of gold. But where is the entry? We already passed the entry. I would have said we should enter here, but market is still retracing, right? So we never can tell what will happen at this zone. And that is why I didn't literally go deeper on gold. So probably we could use a buy stop. Probably we could use a buy stop order here. Or let's just leave gold out of it because there's no formation at the moment. So let's look at Euro card, right? Euro card and Bitcoin. Euro card and Bitcoin. Overall thing is that market is not even stable yet, right? Market is not stable at the moment. So that's the overall thing. Market is not stable at the moment. Okay, market is not stable at the moment. Okay, so let's look at let's look at Euro card. Hey, so I'm looking at this level, the retracement down to 1.49606. Okay, so 1.49606. So 1.50346. So let's see what will happen at this euro card. Why? Because market has shown us presence of sellers, but we are still having sort of range around here. Okay, I see something. Right, so we could use a buy sell stop order on euro card. So sell stop here, CP1, CP2. Euro card. So I'm typing this on the um, Euro card. Euro card. Sell stop. SL. SL at 1.50464. CP1 1.49986. TP2 1.49748. Okay, so that is that for Eurocap. I just dropped the signal in the contact client group. I don't know how to say this though, but except if there's any fundamental, I didn't see any bullish sentiment in BTC at the moment. BTC is quite going to be very bearish. So it looks towards selling BTC. Okay, it looks towards selling BTC, but we can't sell BTC here. We look towards here, right? In 1 hour time frame. Also, I'm looking towards selling Bitcoin. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Sorry, I was using the past. Okay, so let's see. Bitcoin is quite bullish. I think the network is bad. I think the network is bad. Okay, I think the network is not cool. Or can you all hear me, please?
Yes, we can hear you very well.
Okay. Okay,
We
so
can hear
okay, so for Bitcoin, I'm not seeing any proper movement in Bitcoin at the moment. So I think we'll wait for further information on that. Okay, so I didn't see any proper thing in Bitcoin. Probably the best bet could be a bearish sentiment for BTC, right? I'll just look forward to sell. Yeah, sell is a bearish sentiment on Bitcoin is not going to be a bad idea. right? So if this current candle closes bearish, then you can sell BTC. If this current candle closes like this with a rejection, you can sell BTC down to here, also here as well. So that's that for this afternoon analysis. Thank you very much. PU Prime, this taking is giving to you from the stable of PU Prime. And by this evening, 7 p.m., we are going to have a software class. We are going to unveil one of our software, and we are also going to work on that. And next week, Friday, for those that wants to trade stocks, we are going to have a webinar next week, Friday, on stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, 7 p.m. Okay, so today's class is also by 7 p.m. as well. The link will be shared to all the groups. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful trading session. Bye.
Same to you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it, sir.